Have you ever created a table and you need to add numbering to the first column? Ever done it manually? Ouch! There is actually a way to do this quickly. Simply select the column and click on the numbering button from the Home tab. I know, right? Much quicker. What if I want to adjust the width of this column? What happens to my numbering? Well, this actually is the result of my first line indent. So I'm just going to put that back where it was. And if I look up here at my ruler, I notice that my first line indent is over a little bit. Whoops. I am going to make sure I select all of those, move my first line indent over. I'm going to go ahead and move my hanging indent also. Now, when I readjust the width of this column, I can still see my numbers. Now, the same thing also works if you select a row and want to have numbering across the columns. Thanks for watching another video in the Filling in the Gaps series. If you like this video, please subscribe.